What's up guys, we're here at All Aspects today and we're going to be doing a bunch of installs. Jason's going to be working on his car, Mark blew his car, and Andres is working on his car.
So to get my fix, I have to work on other people's cars.
Exactly. So I looked up this thing called an AC Pro system, which is pretty reliable. And pretty much you can refresh your AC system with this and make it ice cold again. So that's what we're going to do first today. And hopefully it makes it a lot colder because it's getting really hot over here in California. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is pop your hood. You locate your low side. So for here, for an M54 engine, it's over here by your intakes. So where that black cap is, all the way at the end right there. First off, you're gonna get your bottle. Pretty much you're gonna take the safety cap off.
I don't even know if this is strong enough.
Once it's off, you can just screw it on tight.
Yeah, make sure that thing tight, boy.
Yep. Boom. Now it's on. Good to go. Before use, just make sure to shake it up good pretty much. Gotta get all that shit mixed up in there. Want to turn on your car? You need the keys for that actually. You want to turn on your AC all the way up high, the lowest setting, so the coldest. High, make sure this is on, so your AC compressor is running. Alright, once that's good. So on previous models, I believe they had a temperature gauge on here, so you can appropriate the correct temperature outside. For some reason, this one, I guess the new ones don't come like this, and then you just pop it in, and it'll measure how much you have in the AC system, and then from there you can charge it. So you're gonna want to take off your low port cap. Alright, so you're gonna take off your low side cap, and then you're gonna just pop this in there.
Yep, you can see it's a little low.
So pretty much it's measuring how much is in there, and then yeah. So we're gonna just recharge it a little bit more. So what you want to do is just shake it up, and pretty much you're gonna squeeze the trigger for, I'll say 5 to 10 seconds, while also shaking it up left and right clockwise. It's in the green zone, so I would say it's pretty good. So I didn't have to put too much in it, but this should be good enough now. That's about it. And if you're really low, it'll tell you that you're on the low side. And then that's when you want to fill it up a lot. But since mine was already in the bottom green, I only had to fill it up for like 4 or 5 seconds.
Good. You a little hot there, buddy? Yeah, it's pretty hot in here.
And just with that, you could get in the car if you want. Oh, woo! And with that, AC's back to ice cold. It feels nice in here. Woo!
Well worth it.
Well worth it? Yeah. How cold is it?
It's super cold.
Yeah, it's super cold now.
You can point it directly at your ball sack and it'll be nice and cold. Instantly.
See how cold it is with the air on low. It's pretty cold.
You're always driving in it. You notice the difference?
Yeah, it's a lot colder. I mean, it's not like my AC was like super hot or something. It was still pretty cold, but definitely this made it a lot colder, and also hopefully it gets colder ASAP now instead of taking a little bit, like 10 minutes or so to get cold.
Yeah.
But yeah, it feels good now. Really cold. All right, good. And that's it. So
On to the next one.
On to the next project, but yeah, we're gonna be installing a lot more today, but that'll be for another video. That'll pretty much conclude today's video, which is refreshing the AC system, and I think it worked out great. That's pretty much it for today's video. We're gonna be installing a lot more shit today. If you want a little sneak peek, you might have seen it, but yeah, but we got some other stuff over there we're gonna be installing on the Beamer. Jason's working on installing his headers, and then Andres is working on his wiring harness. But anything you guys want to say for the channel?
Subscribe, like, comment, share, everyone.
Lots of it, right?
Always. Wait, they can't see you. Always eat ass.
Okay. Alright. That's it for today's vlog. We'll see you in the next one. The next video should be up on the next week. Alright, see you guys.